Welcome to this webinar on how to set up direct debit instructions for a duty deferment account when multiple signatures are required. We'll be showing you screenshots from the Customs Declaration Service and gov.uk. HMRC is constantly improving the digital experience of our customers, so you may find that some of these screenshots will be slightly different to those you'll see in the Customs Declaration Service. On the Customs Declaration Service, you have the option to defer payment of your customs duties via a duty deferment account. If you already have a duty deferment account on Chief, this will be available on the Customs Declaration Service. However, you'll need to set up a new direct debit instruction as Chief and the Customs Declaration Service use two different HMRC bank accounts. You will not be charged twice for the same liability. If you don't have a duty deferment account, you can apply for one following the step-by-step guidance on gov.uk by searching for how to set up an account to defer duty payments. You also need to have subscribed to the Customs Declaration Service. If you haven't, please see gov.uk for guidance. Or you can also view the webinar How to Subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service. Also, ensure your email address is correct and remains verified on your Customs financial accounts, as direct debit notifications will be sent by email. We'll now show you how to set up your direct debit on the Customs Declaration Service, so make sure you're logged into your Customs financial accounts. Once you have your Customs financial accounts open, scroll down to the duty deferment account. Here you can see there is an action required for the duty deferment account to set up a new direct debit. To set up the direct debit instructions, use the Set up a new direct debit link. Direct debit notifications will be sent by email, and you'll also receive notifications on your Customs financial accounts. So if the email address is wrong, change it straight away using Manage your email address for Customs Declaration Service. If the email is correct, continue to the next page and fill in the form with your account details. This question determines the next steps for your direct debit. By selecting No, you're confirming your direct debit instruction requires multiple signatures. If your direct debit instruction does not require multiple signatures, see our webinar How to Set Up a Direct Debit Instruction on the Customs Declaration Service, One Signature, on how the process works, as it is different. By selecting No, this then opens the next page with instructions for what needs to be done next. There are two ways that you can send the information. The first option is to use Dropbox. Dropbox is a safe and secure method of uploading documents. To send your direct debit using this method, follow the steps on your screen when applying. If you're unable to use Dropbox, the second option requires you to send a hard copy of your signed direct debit form. If this is the option that you choose, follow the steps on your screen. Once HMRC have received your direct debit form from either option, you will have access to your direct debit in 5 working days. If you're using a customs handling of import and export freight or chief duty deferment account, it's very important that you do not cancel your chief direct debit instructions, as this will still be used to settle any outstanding chief payments. This means you'll have two active HMRC direct debit instructions, and two payments may be taken on the same day. One to settle your customs declaration service liabilities and one to settle your chief liabilities. If this happens, you'll receive two statements, one online for the customs declaration service and a paper version for chief to confirm charges due. Please be assured you will not be charged twice for the same liability. Watch our next webinar, which will cover how to set up a standing authority on the Customs Declaration Service. For further information, please go to gov.uk. We hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.